These 5 AI businesses will make you $1 million this year, and I'm not just saying that. I know because our team at Seamless built one of them. Our founder coded the first version on nights and weekends and took it from a prototype built with his last 100K to $250 million in revenue with 700,000 customers worldwide. And here are the only 5 worth your time. Business number 1, AI sales consulting. This one is available to you right now without a product you have to build and without engineers you have to hire. Here's the opportunity. 99% of the companies know that they need AI in their sales process, right? They just have no idea where to start. They're overwhelmed, they're confused, and they're terrified of making the wrong move. This is where you're going to come in. You walk in, you automate their whole sales process, how they prospect, how they follow up, how they close, and identify exactly where AI can make them time and make them a whole heck of a lot of money. You charge $5K for the audit, and that $5K turns into $25K to $50K. You implement that project where you actually build the system out, and boom, you're up to $1 million this year. Right now, any company that's not using AI, especially to automate their sales like we do here at Seamless, are going to be left behind. So the gap between where most companies are and where they need to be is massive, and someone has to bridge that gap. So if you have a background in sales and understanding of pipeline and prospecting, you're qualified to do this. The knowledge you've built is worth way more than you actually realize. All right, business number 2 is AI prospecting and data, and this is exactly where Seamless comes in. This is all about using AI to solve a problem that you can scale, and our founder did this by building Seamless. He was a sales rep at IBM, spending 50 to 60% of his day just building lists with manual researching, LinkedIn, copying and pasting emails, and guessing at phone numbers, and he realized this is taking hours and hours out of sales reps' days that are meant to be spent prospecting, that are meant to be spent selling. So what did he do? He built a tool that does it for you. He found a problem so painful and so universal and so expensive that solving it was worth building a company around. That is the framework. Find the workflow in your industry that is still being done manually in 2025. That thing that people are still copying and pasting, still spreadsheet managing, still guessing at. Build a SaaS product that automates it. Charge a monthly subscription and scale it. Every industry has a version of this. Think about it. Marketing teams manually pulling campaign reports. HR teams tracking candidates across 5 different spreadsheets. Operations managers copying and pasting data between tools that should talk to each other. These are all SaaS companies waiting to be built. The AI prospecting space specifically, we've helped over 700,000 sales professionals generate $36 billion in client revenue because the problem was that universal. Bad data, wasted time, empty pipeline. Every company in the world feels that pain. That is what you're looking for. You are looking to hit a nerve and solve a problem that'll help your customers never run out of business. And by the way, if you aren't already automating your sales process and using AI to automate your own prospecting and find and close more deals, you need to try Seamless completely for free. We have 50 free credits for you. It's the first link in the description below. Go ahead and click on it and try it out. Business number 3, AI voice agent agency. This is the one that most people aren't moving on fast enough, and the window is still wide open. An AI voice agent is an AI-powered phone system that answers calls, qualifies leads, books appointments, and handles follow-ups 24 hours a day without a single human. You build these for local businesses and charge a monthly retainer to keep them running. Think about who needs this. Dental offices missing calls on weekends and losing patients. Law firms getting inquiries at 11 p.m. with nobody there. Plumbers on job sites all day watching inbound calls go to voicemail. Every missed call here is a missed customer. So for small businesses, one missed call is worth thousands of dollars. One of the things our team tracks obsessively at Seamless is speed to lead. Leads that don't get a call back within 5 minutes convert at a fraction of the rate. 5 minutes. Most businesses are getting back to people in 5 days. An AI voice agent fixes that problem overnight. You charge $500 to $1,500 a month per client. You land 20 clients, that's $10,000 to $30,000 a month in recurring revenue. Build a system, get paid every single month. Business number 4 is AI automation agency. This is the business our founder wishes existed when he was building Seamless. An AI automation agency builds custom workflows for businesses using tools like N8N and Claude to connect their systems, eliminate manual tasks, and scale their operations without adding headcount. So you're not actually selling software, you're selling time back. And time is the one thing that business owners are desperate to buy. Business number 5, AI personal brand business. Now this one is going to be the one that requires the most patience, but the ceiling is the highest of everything on this list. An AI personal brand business is building an audience around your expertise and using AI to create content at a scale that wasn't possible 2 years ago. We're talking about videos, newsletters, short form podcasts. AI lets you produce at 10x the speed while you stay focused on delivering real insight and real value. Most people fail at this. The ones who win are consistent, specific, and have real proof behind what they're teaching. The ones who do win build businesses worth tens of millions of dollars. We're talking courses, consulting, software, speaking, sponsorships, all of it from the audience. Now, AI can help you create the content, but the story has to be yours. Your personal brand is your business card in 2026. So there you have it. Those are 5 AI businesses that'll make you $1 million this year if you get focused, you hone in, and first of all, you build your list. In order to build your list and automate your sales, you're going to try Seamless AI. The link is in the description below. You're going to get 50 free credits. Go ahead and try it and see how quickly you build your list. We here at Seamless believe you are one list away from everything you want. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for everything you need for all AI sales automation tools, and we'll see you in the next video.